We have a lot of blueberries that are ready for picking, but I'm going to pick them tomorrow for our picnic. We're going to go on a picnic, but for now I'm preparing dinner. And here's my harvest. Let's harvest some nectar plum too. There are a lot of nectar plums that are ready. There are more up there. This is ready. These are ready too. Here's our nectar plum harvest. One apricot here that is ready. This apricot, there you go. I am preparing dinner with some garden harvest. The nectar plum, the zucchini squash, the tomatoes, and then the peppers. And then I have here the balsamic vinegar that we got from our trip in Ojai. These are infused balsamic vinegar and olive oil with balsamic vinegar. This one is, I think pepper. I can't remember anymore. This is gold balsamic. I think this one has the citrus, infused with citrus that only grows in Ojai. This one is the one that is infused with Ojai pixie. Ojai pixie is the one that is the citrus. It's the variety of citrus that only grows in Ojai. I'm not sure what this one is. I can't remember anymore. It's not labeled. Anyway, this is pineapple. This is like Josh got this one, pineapple. We are using this tonight and then tomorrow to on our picnic on the watermelon. So this is pineapple. Probably goes very well with the with this nectar plum. And then we have more honey lavender. This is really good too. And then this one is peach balsamic. I like this one too. So we got this. So this one is the pixie, Ojai pixie. This one is the gold balsamic, pineapple balsamic, and then this one honey lavender balsamic. And the oil, the olive oil that she uses, is it olive oil? The olive oil or the balsamic vinegar that she's using is an award-winning one. They just won in like New York something, and that's what she said. There you go. So here I am cooking I am steaming the potatoes. Here I have beef flank which I diced, and then now I'm going to squeeze lemon. This is lemon from the backyard garden, and then salt and pepper. And then salt, and then pepper, and then I'll just grill this. And then paprika. The tomatoes I'll just slice and drizzle with infused oil, olive oil. This one I'm going to, the peppers I'm going to saute, and then same thing, drizzle with, let's try all this, like balsamic vinegar and infused balsamic vinegar and infused olive oil that we got earlier. Look like this. Yellow and green zucchini. And then let's grill the squash. Maybe use this one, the green one first. Let's just like cut strips, but let's grill the zucchini first. Maybe like that. With the meat, with the beef. Add olive oil. This is from olive press, but then later we can drizzle with the olive oil that we got from Ojai. This one is from Napa. Salt. Freshly cracked peppercorns. The potatoes are done. I'm going to grill the zucchini squash. This one I'm going to grill the beef. Let's go to the garden to harvest basil. Now let's flip this zucchini squash to the grill mark. Very healthy and delicious. And homegrown. Clean. Here's our basil. Basil and tomatoes, they go very well together. This is shiso plant. This should be good enough. This is a very effective air purifier when you are cooking, or when you are, like right now I am grilling. So I am going to post the link on this product below. Like this one is red. This I'm grilling right now. It will turn into green later. It's converting the smell of what I'm grilling into like clean air. It's very effective in absorbing the smell of like food that you are cooking. Oh, and the smoke too when grilling. This is done. Some leftover squid here from the fidewa that I made the other night. So I'm going to warm this up. And then saute this one, the peppers, the different varieties of peppers. Just like cooking oil. This is canola oil. And then I'll just add this one. I'll add this before the oil gets like really hot and it splatters. This is very easy to make too. Very easy to pull off. There's one red. This has like padron, chifito, and sweet banana pepper, and something else. So different varieties of peppers. Maybe the balsamic vinegar. We got some balsamic vinegar too from Solvang, from Olive Press. Like this one is black mission fig, and then let's do a haul of our like balsamic vinegar from Olive Press in Solvang. I think it's loud. I have the essence on and I have this thing too. So we got 3 from there. This one is black mission fig. This one is white omibushi plum. This is really good too. And the other one is espresso. Espresso is like coffee flavored. That's the like torn basil, and then the let's use the, which one should we use? Maybe this organic Ojai pixie will probably taste really well on this tomatoes. It should be good enough, and then let's season with salt. And that's it. And then here, let's use, what did she say? Oh, this one, I think she said this is really good with grilled vegetables. So let's use this. It's okay to use them because we are going to be grilling a lot of vegetables during the summer too, since we are growing them. And then by the time the season is over, this balsamic vinegar should be over, should be finished too. So let's like drizzle this with a splash of this balsamic vinegar on this vegetables. And then we have potatoes. On the potatoes, let's also use this, oh no, the potatoes, it has to be the olive oil. So let's use the same one, organic pixie. Just like, there you go. Let's use that hydrangea on our vase. Here's the beautiful hydrangea. Let's just put this on this vase. This is the hydrangea. Look at how beautiful. Hi Josh.
Hi Mom.
Here's Josh just to present our dinner. What are we having, Josh?
We're having Wagyu beef. I'm just joking. We're having
Just a cheap cut of beef actually.
This is the beef. This is some potatoes. Some varieties of tomatoes. Jalapenos.
All the peppers, different varieties of peppers, but not spicy. The leftover a squid from our fidewa the other night. Fidewa in black ink.
And lastly,
Squid ink. Here's our fidewa. I tried it, it's really good. This is fidewa in with squid in squid ink. It's super delicious.
At Quattro Gat. Mommy is going to prepare the cuttlefish fidewa.
Zucchini, grilled zucchini. Let's eat. And what you're having is a water infused with watermelon drink. Watermelon infused water. There you go.
Problème que le vent se lève, de temps en temps nous serons heureux. Pour l'éternel que tu peux traverser les nuits sans tomber. Que tu peux rêver de grandes échappées. Que tu peux